As a business owner, I think that one of the biggest struggles for entrepreneurs is that you feel like you're on an island. But with the UGA Small Business Development Center, you have support in all areas of your business. My name is Russell Rainey. I'm CEO and founder of Rainey Apparel Manufacturing. We design and manufacture our post-operative compression garments right here in the United States, Clarkston, Georgia. These garments are worn once you've had cosmetic surgery, and during the post-operative period, it helps you heal. We've worked with doctors through the years to develop our product line, understanding the need of the customer, and being able to fulfill that has been very rewarding for us as a company. We first reached out to UGA Small Business Development Center for sales and marketing support. We were struggling with understanding how to penetrate our market, and we were seeking the type of training that would elevate and make our business more cohesive. They offer comprehensive programs and training for you to begin your business, run your business, and scale your business. I recently went to a class that was offered by UGA Small Business Development Center. The name of the class was called Grow Smart. The name really did implicate exactly what I felt when I left there. The presentation, the training aspect of it was very rewarding. We've actually taken those ideas and thoughts and incorporated them since, and I've seen very favorable results. I plan to work with the UGA Small Business Development Center in the future because you're always evolving. There's always more to learn and understand. Seeking the right type of expertise is very critical.